These are the EarFun Air Pro 3 noise cancelling headphones, and if you're looking for a new set of headphones, I'd really recommend that you get yourself a set of these. This set here already connected to my phone, but they connect via Bluetooth, and it's really simple to set up, just how you connect any other product to your phone via Bluetooth. So the headphones come in this charging case, so you can charge the headphones when you need to charge them. So you get about 9 hours out of the headphones before you have to charge them, and then with the case, you're going to get another 36 hours on top of that. So realistically, you've got 45 hours before you have to charge the case. Now, that's a long time to be using your headphones for. You notice that there are no buttons on these headphones, so it's all done by touch. So we'll show you that a little bit later in the video. You can also change these little rubber pieces on the ends of the headphones to fit your ears better. So you get 3 other sizes that are not already fitted onto the headphones, so I'm sure you'll find one in here to fit your ear perfectly. Really easy to use, and you can do everything just by tapping this little circle bit up the top here. First thing to do is if you want to turn the volume up, so we've got the right side here, but you'd press that once, and you press it again if you want to go up multiple levels, and you do the same on the left hand side to turn the volume down. Now if you want to pause your music because someone's speaking to you, tap either one twice. That'd be the left or the right one. And if you want to skip to the next track, hit the right one 3 times, 1, 2, 3, or do it on the left hand side to go back 1 track. If you really liked your song, you want to listen to it again. So to turn on noise cancelling, because you can use noise cancelling, you can have ambient sound or you can have normal sound with these headphones. You press and then hold for 2 seconds, let it go on the left hand side, and then you can cycle between them. If you want to pick up a call, you can just tap either side twice and you can answer the call or end the call. If you want to reject the call, you can tap and hold either side for 2 seconds. So you tap once and then press again for 2 seconds. And you can also use your voice assistant with these buds here. I've been really impressed with these EarFun Pro earbuds. One thing that I do have a little bit of an issue with them is if I'm editing videos or I'm watching a show, sometimes the audio and video don't line up. And something that I did learn that made a bit of a difference was turn on the game mode on the app. So you do have to download an app. You don't need the app to make the headphones work, but you can download the app and you can mess around with some settings on there, make the sound a little bit different, and turn on the game mode. And when I turned on the game mode, everything lined up just perfectly, so I was able to edit and watch shows without having any latency issues. The noise cancelling feature in these work really well, so if you're outside you don't want to hear the birds chirping or you don't want to hear any background noise, they work really well. And then when you're on a call, I've had great feedback from the people that I'm speaking to on the sound quality and whether I'm clear or not, so that's really good to hear, especially when you're using a new product. You're not too sure how well they're going to perform. If you are in the market for a set of headphones or you want to get them as a gift for someone, I'd really recommend that you get these EarFun Air Pro 3 noise cancelling earbuds. They work great and you won't be disappointed with them.